Welcome to all participants of the very first Script Jam. My name is Sarrixx, a lecturer of digital and interactive games with South Metro TAFE in Western Australia, and one of your two hosts with my former student Pale. The idea of creating a game built in Unity through the use of a single script is an interesting challenge. You will have to think out of the box when approaching the overall design and functionality of your game, but this will serve as an exciting and alternative way of developing your programming skills, practices, and techniques. So no matter if you are just beginning your journey into programming and games development, or whether you are a seasoned veteran, this challenge will provide you with the opportunity to develop and improve as a programmer, designer, and developer. The theme for the very first Script Jam is Leave Something Behind. You can interpret this in any way you want, but you must incorporate the theme in your game. Needless to say, your game will probably be received better if the connection to the theme is quite obvious. With the launch of the Jam, here are a couple of things to consider. Firstly, as long as every piece of code you write is all within the same script file, you are free to write your scripts however you please. But this means that all debugging functionality should be included with the script you write your mechanical functionality in as well. Do not write separate scripts. If you want to use an outdated version of Unity that supports Unity Script, aka JavaScript, you can feel free to do so as long as the version of Unity is still officially available, so that when it comes to judging your project, we can still do so. When it comes to writing and implementing your script, there are two designs that would be relatively easy to implement. One way of writing your script would be to design it in a way in which only one instance of the script will exist in the scene. In this case, that one script would control the entire game. Another approach would be to write one single script that you can have multiple instances of, setting each instance up so that only necessary data relative to the functionality required of that particular instance needs to be specified. If you're confused or have any questions about any other aspect of the Jam, please check the itch.io page, where you can also have a look at the community posts or make one yourself if you want to ask a question. So have fun, think out of the box, and no matter what, just create something.